So morning, you're joining me on a early morning game drive in Nairobi Game Reserve. I thought I'll start making these vlogs because I live about 5 minutes from the game reserve, and it's just an amazing place in the middle of a city. You can't believe that there's a place like this just on your doorstep, and the sightings we've seen in this park is unreal. We've been going to various game parks across southern Africa for the last 2 years quite extensively, my wife and I, and rhinos is one of the things that you very seldom see, and in this park it's almost like impalas. There's another rhino, and the beauty of it in Nairobi Game Reserve is that you get both black and white rhinos. So I think I'll try and show you how I approach it. People always say we're very lucky with what we see, but I believe it's because we work so hard. When we go to a game reserve, we actually drive a lot of kilometers in the park, and we drive roads that other people sometimes don't drive. And we do stuff that other people don't do, and probably that's why we see more. And I suppose there's an element of luck, and also an element of we go a lot. We do try and get out into a park as often as possible, and the law of averages will always be in your favor when you do that. But it's what we see as well. We do drive quite slowly, and then make sure if we see something that we think was something, we reverse and make sure it's not a leopard or a serval or whatever sighting that it could be. So yeah, you can never be too sure what it was. So yes, hopefully it's informative, hopefully you enjoy it. This is my first go at doing this, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of ums and ahs, but I'll try my best to make it as enjoyable as possible, and hopefully we see something today. If we don't, we'll be back tomorrow or maybe Monday. I'm a teacher in Kenya, and I'm fortunate to live across from the park, so we are on Easter holiday, so I can do a few sessions. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Our first sighting of the morning, a big old buffalo bull in the middle of the road. I don't know if you can see from the video that he's got a red bull oxpecker on him, and they busy taking all the ticks of him. And you can see there's a few oxpeckers on top of his back. I'll try and zoom in. Yeah, you see them there, red bull oxpeckers. There's 3 of them, and they will be staying with him the whole time. Magnificent animals. We've come to the first water hole. There's quite a few hippos in this pool. Noisy buggers, and they'll be was watching these two rhinos lying under the tree, and then when I got up, I only then realized that they were black rhino. Quite an unusual place for them to be, so I didn't expect them to be black rhinos. But yeah, a nice sighting. Heading towards the gate now. Call it a day. It's getting too warm now, and there's no point really. You see some animals still, but it's time for lunch. So yeah, I've not had the best of game drives. However, quite a few animals. And that special sighting of the cheetah, which I've not seen in the park before. I know they're here, but they're quite elusive. So yeah, that was a bonus. And then the rhinos lying in the road, they were quite special as well. I could have gone. There were some lions that everyone was heading towards, but it was like 100 cars, and it's just not worth going because it's annoying because everyone's jostling for a position. So I decided not to go and look for the lions. I thought I'll see if I can find something else that's spectacular, which didn't happen. Yeah, all in all, a good session. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me today. I'll probably do one tomorrow or on Monday. I think Monday because it'll be quieter then. And yeah, I'll take you through some more things that I do when I go through the park, and the things I look for, and things I use to my advantage when trying to find the animals, instead of following the crowd. Avoiding that. So yeah, hope you like my first ever vlog, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give me some advice, be nice, and subscribe if you want to see more. Hopefully I'll be doing a lot more of these in the future. I've got a few more trips planned this year to some special game reserves here in Kenya. There's so many of them. I've been to quite a few, but I'm planning to go to Tsavo East again in the dry season, and I want to start to go to some of the conservancies that's not so busy. And then I want to go back to Amboseli because that's just very special. I want to go back to Samburu, and I'll take the camera with me and hopefully document that. That'll be a longer session, but I'll do it on a day-to-day basis, which is probably better, because who wants to sit and watch a half-an-hour movie? So yeah, let me know what you think, and till next time, thanks for watching.